എടാ ഹെബ്ബാള് പോയിട്ട് പോവാ. അതാണ് എളുപ്പം. അല്ല അതെങ്ങനെ എളുപ്പമെന്ന് എങ്ങോട്ട് പോകുന്ന റൂട്ട്? രാമൂട്ടിനോട് വഴി പോയി
എടാ
രാമൂർത്തി വഴി കമ്മനഹള്ളി വഴി.
എന്നാ പോ.
എടാ എന്നാ നിന്റെ
എടാ ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്, ഞാൻ ഒന്ന് റൗണ്ട് എടുത്തിട്ട് വരാം, വീഡിയോ എടുക്കാം. Okay, so the update, caught up with my friends, and I'll be taking the Hebbal route because I don't think the Dandiganahalli Old Madras road is quite safe. So yeah, I'll be taking that route. Okay, so the ride starts right now. See ya. Okay, so this is the road at 4 a.m. with minimal traffic. I have my friend as a pillion, and I'm going to my. Actually, the other two friends are like waiting for us en route, so I'm going to their place. Oh my god, these dogs are crazy. Enjoy the ride. Caught up with some friends, two of them on Pulsar. So we are taking the Hebbal route. I think they're having some fun behind. So we're taking the Hebbal route, and it's roughly about 76 kilometers from Hebbal. So let's see. I mean, as of now it's pretty dark, so it's not. And also, so these are the people, my friends. As of now it's pretty dark, and it's inside the city, so there's nothing to be seen. So I'll be skipping this part, and I'll open up the camera when there's something better to see other than these stupid vans and cabs. So right now I'm on the road to Hebbal. It's still dark, and there is nothing to be seen. Let's hope the light would come up pretty soon, and we'll be able to see some good scenery. Route update: there is nothing to be seen. Roads are empty, like minimal amount of vehicles. It's all lit up. Yes, that's the only thing. The best part about riding in the morning is like you get the fresh air. You don't have to stop anywhere, and it's fun. You enjoy the ride. Okay, so as in my previous vlog, I have told you my story about how I bought this bike. I don't think I'll be telling any story in this vlog because this is all about the ride. Okay, so let me just tell you how I was introduced to bike riding. So there was this a group of friends of mine. So we planned a ride to, where was that? There was in Kanakpura, yes, Pyramid Valley in Kanakpura main road. So we were like 10, 15 peoples. We were like 10, 15 people. And one of my friend who was in the ride, his name was Rebu. So he was kinda my type. He likes adventure. Right now he is in Bahrain. Okay, so we always planned a group ride, a ride together, but never happened. Even last week when we spoke, we were talking about that we have that last ride pending. It was like, okay, bro, next time. I don't know whether that time will come soon or what. So, Ribu, if you are seeing this vlog, I challenge you to come to India and do a ride with me. Take the challenge, bro. We used to talk about many things about bikes. We had a similar taste. He never liked fast bikes. He always wanted to enjoy the ride. He was always happy. Okay. So me and Rubu had these discussions of riding together, which never happened as I told you. And we used to talk about many bikes. Even when I told him like I'm going to buy a bullet, he was like, go for it. Go for rides. Do things you always wanted to do. He's actually younger to me, but knowledge-wise, he's older to me. He is a motorcycle maniac, you can call. So we went to Kanakpura main road. I'm getting into the story. So the 15 people, we got lost in nice road. That was a fun part. Getting lost on roads are like pretty fun. And getting lost on road will be for some people will be pretty panicky, but for hardcore riders like me and Radu, we were having the time of our life. I don't know what happened. People are stopping. എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ.